Snuggle in tight, let the stars
Tommy was a
glow.
big, kind elephant who lived in a bright and beautiful jungle. He had long, flappy ears, a strong trunk, and a heart full of kindness. The other animals loved him because he always helped them whenever they were in trouble. Tommy loved walking near the river, playing in the shade of tall trees, and making sure everyone in the jungle was happy and safe. He believed that kindness made the world a better place. One sunny morning, Tommy was taking his usual walk near the river when he heard a soft crying sound. He stopped and listened carefully. The sound was coming from behind some bushes. Curious, Tommy stepped closer and saw a small brown puppy stuck in the mud. The poor puppy was trying to get out, but the mud was too thick, and he was sinking deeper. Tommy's heart filled with sympathy. "Oh no, little one. Don't be afraid, I will help you," Tommy said gently. He stretched out his strong trunk, wrapped it around the puppy carefully, and lifted him out of the mud. The puppy shivered as he stood on the dry grass, his fur covered in mud. Tommy used his trunk to brush off as much mud as he could and brought the puppy to a small pond where he could wash up. The puppy wagged his little tail and licked Tommy's trunk. "Thank you, Tommy. I thought I would be stuck there forever," the puppy said with a happy bark. Tommy smiled. "You are safe now, little one. Always be careful where you step." From that day on, the puppy became Tommy's little friend. They played together, explored the jungle, and Tommy always made sure the puppy never wandered into dangerous places again. One afternoon, as Tommy and the puppy walked through the jungle, they saw a little monkey sitting on a rock with a sad face. The monkey held his tummy, and it made a funny growling sound. Tommy could see that the monkey was very hungry. "What is wrong, little monkey?" Tommy asked kindly. The monkey sighed. "I have not eaten all day. I am too small to reach the bananas on the tall trees, and I am so hungry," he said in a tiny voice. Tommy thought for a moment and smiled. "Don't worry. I can help you." Tommy stretched his long trunk high into the air and picked the ripest, sweetest bananas from the tree. He peeled one and handed it to the little monkey, who took it with wide, grateful eyes. The monkey took a big bite and smiled brightly. "Thank you, Tommy. This is the best banana ever," the monkey said as he ate happily. Tommy chuckled. "It is always good to share with those who have nothing," he said. The little monkey nodded. "I will remember that, Tommy. You are very kind." After eating, the monkey jumped around joyfully, his belly now full. Tommy and the puppy continued their walk, feeling happy that they had helped someone in need. A few days later, as Tommy was drinking water by the river, he heard loud squawking from the trees above. Looking up, he saw a colorful parrot flapping its wings wildly. The poor bird was trapped in a net hanging from the branches. The parrot struggled, but the net was too strong. Tommy's heart ached for the parrot. "Hold on. I will help you," he called out. The parrot flapped harder, but he was stuck. Tommy walked closer and stretched out his trunk. He carefully pulled at the net, making sure not to hurt the parrot. With one big tug, the net broke, and the parrot was free. The bird flew up into the sky, twirling in happiness. "Thank you, Tommy. I thought I would never get out," the parrot said, flying in circles of joy. Tommy smiled. "We must always free those who are trapped," he said. The parrot nodded. "You are a true friend, Tommy," he said before flying away happily. Tommy continued his journey through the jungle, feeling warm inside because he had helped another friend. But soon, dark clouds covered the sky, and the wind howled through the trees. Rain started falling, making the jungle wet and cold. As Tommy walked carefully through the muddy paths, he saw a little rabbit shaking under a bush. The rabbit's fur was wet, and he looked very cold and scared. "Come with me," Tommy said kindly. The rabbit hesitated but then hopped toward Tommy. Tommy led the rabbit to a big tree with thick branches that blocked the rain. Tommy then stood next to the rabbit and used his large body to shield him from the cold wind. the rabbit snuggled close, feeling warm and safe. "Thank you, Tommy," the rabbit said with a sleepy smile. Tommy nodded. "We should always protect those who need shelter," he said. The storm lasted for a while, but Tommy stood there patiently, making sure the rabbit stayed warm. When the morning came, the sun shone again, and the jungle looked fresh and bright. The rabbit hopped happily, knowing that he had found a great friend in Tommy. One day, all the animals in the jungle gathered by the river. They had something special planned. The puppy, the monkey, the parrot, and the rabbit all spoke about how Tommy had helped them. They thanked him for his kindness, his big heart, and his willingness to help anyone in need. "You are the best friend we could ever have," said the puppy. Tommy smiled warmly. "Kindness makes the world a better place," he said. From that day on, all the animals in the jungle started helping one another. They shared food, freed those who were trapped, gave shelter to those who needed it, and protected each other. And Tommy, the kind elephant, continued his adventures, always ready to lend a helping trunk to anyone in need.
Snuggle in tight, let the stars glow bright. It's story time magic, deep into the night. Whispers of dreams in the soft moon's light. With you by my side, everything feels right.